What a drag it is getting old. Kids are prepared today. I hear every mother say, mother needs something today to calm her down. No, she's not really ill. There's a yellow little pill, and she goes running for the shelter of her mother's little helper, and it helps her on the way, getting through the busy day. These are the today. I hear every mother say, cooking fresh food for Christmas just a drag. So she buys an instant cake, and she burns a frozen steak, and goes running to the shelter of her mother's little helper, and to help her on the way, getting through her busy day. Doctor, please, some more of these. Outside the door, she took one more. What a drag it is getting old. It's just not the same today. I hear every mother say, she's starting to recently that you get tired. There's so hard to satisfy. You could tranquilize your mind. So go running for the shelter of the mother's little help, and help you through the night to realize your plan. Doctor, please, some more of these. Outside the door, she took one more. What a drag it is getting old. I just worked too hard today. I hear every mother say, truth of happiness just seems to be a bore. And if you take more of those, you will get an overdose. And all running for the shelter of your mother's little helper, will just help you on the way through your busy dying day. Well, hi there pluckers, I've a sore fingers again with another classic song, this time from the Rolling Stones, called Mother's Little Helper. Okay, this is my take on it for a single acoustic guitar. Okay, some options for you along the way. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the Rolling Stones. Okay, original version. Okay, so it starts off with this what a drag it is getting old. Okay, as drag it is getting old. And what I do there is I play along with the initial words. What a second fret of the third string, open second string. What a, then I'm playing a D7. Drag, hitting that fourth string open, drag it. And on is, I'm putting my thumb over to the bottom E string on the second fret. Okay, so what a drag it is getting old. To an E minor, bottom E string open. Okay, so what a drag it is getting old. Okay, now at that point you can either sing along the little lead bit. Okay, on the record it's played on the top string really. So if you've got a second guitarist, that'd be great. Okay, so what it is, it's second fret top E string up to the third fret bottom E, the top E string. It mostly slides, okay, and then it slides up to the fifth fret, down to the third, down to the second, and then slides back up to the third. Okay. Okay, that sort of thing. If you've got a second guitarist, obviously I don't. So rather than just, you can either sing it, you can always sing it as well. La da 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 da. That's sort of thing, you know. Da 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 I can do that, but what I tended to do was just there's an option there if you want to do that, or just sing along with it, whatever. Okay, what I'm doing there is I'm playing the 4th fret of the 4th string, and the 3rd, 2nd and 1st strings all open. I'm just going from the 4th fret on the 4th to the 5th fret on the 4th, up to the 7th fret on the 4th, back down to the 5th fret on the 4th, down to the 4th, back to the 5th. With some slides along the way, okay? And I do that twice, okay? So what I'm doing is, what a drag it is getting old. Kids are different today. Okay, and whilst that's on that last bit, and on different I go back to the E minor. Okay, kids are different today. Okay, so very slowly, if you want to do it the way I did it. Other than that, just sing the bit, okay? So, what a drag it is getting old. Kids are different today. I hear every mother say, mother needs something to do to calm her. F major to D. Now you can either play an F bar chord or a simple F chord. It's up to you. F to D anyway. Okay? Kids are different today. I hear every mother say, mother needs something to do to calm her down. Okay, simple F or a bar chord F, whichever you want. F bar chord gives a bit more guts to it. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so from the beginning. What a drag it is getting old. Kids are different today. I hear every mother say, mother needs something to do to calm her down. Though she's back to, now we go to G. Not really ill. Now to a C. There's a little yellow pill. That's a run down from C to A minor. So 3rd on the 5th string, 2nd on the 5th string, strum, open 5th string, A minor. Okay, kids are different today. I hear every mother say, mother needs something to do to calm her down. Though she's not really ill, there's a little yellow pill. Though she's running for the shelter of D7, there's a little helper, and at E minor helps her on her way, gets her through the busy day. Things are different today. Okay? So that's it. That's the verses for you. All the verses are the same. Okay. Okay. So from the beginning, let's go through the whole thing very slowly, from the intro to the end of the first verse, and then we'll run into the second verse. Okay. So here we go. What a drag it is getting old. Kids are different today. I hear every mother say, mother needs something to do to calm her down. Though she's not really ill, there's a yellow pill, and she's running for the shelter of her mother's little helper, and it helps her on her way, gets her through a busy day. Things are different today. I hear every mother say, cooking fresh food for Christmas just a drag. So she buys an instant cake, and she burns her frozen steak, and Doctor, please. Now we're going to the middle section, okay, and that's the C. So after that riff, Doctor, stay there for Doctor on that 5th fret of the 4th string. Doctor, C chord, please. Some more of D chord, please. Outside the G chord, took for C chord again. Then like the intro, D7, what a drag. Hit thumb over on bottom E string, 2nd fret. Here again, old. Intro. Just the same today, and exactly another verse, exactly the same as what we've done already. And then it does that middle section again. Okay, so we'll just go through this middle section again for you. So coming out of the 2nd verse, it goes and to help her on her way, get through her busy day. Doctor, please, C, D, Doctor, please, G. Outside the back to C, D7, what a drag it is getting old. Then to start to say today, I hear every mother say, babies don't appreciate that you get tired. They're so hard to satisfy, you could fertilize your mind. Go running for the shelter of your mother's little helper and will help you through the night, help to minimize your plight. Doctor, please, some more of these. Outside the door, she took home more. What a drag it is getting old. Just what's too hard to do. I hear every mother say that the pursuit of happiness just seems a bore. And if you take more of those, you will get an overdose. You're running for the shelter of a mother's little helper. They just help you on your way through your very busy day. Right, the ending is quite quick. So after you come out of your two, either you're singing da 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 da. What it is 2 stabs on a D chord to a G chord, and then a quick C back to G. So it comes out da 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 da. Quite quick. Bum bum G down C G. Do that slowly. Sorry. Da 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 da. Once again. Da 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 da. Doing it my way. Okay, so there you have it, the whole song. Thanks very much for listening and watching, and hopefully that will help you play that song if you wanted to play that song, of course. And I'll see you in the next lesson. So bye for now.